This beautifully updated Pennsylvania Cape Cod sits on 2 peaceful acres, combining timeless character with modern upgrades and move-in ready convenience. From its inviting curb appeal to its thoughtfully renovated interior, this property offers the perfect blend of comfort, charm, and country living. As you arrive, you'll immediately notice the home's attractive exterior and spacious setting. With 2 acres of land, you'll have the privacy and outdoor space that's becoming increasingly difficult to find. Step through the iconic curved entry door into a bright and welcoming living room, where a charming stone wood-burning fireplace creates a warm focal point for gathering with family and friends. The living space flows effortlessly into the formal dining area and a sleek kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances and updated hardware, creating a layout that's both functional and inviting. The versatile main floor offers even more flexibility, with a potential 4th bedroom or home office, making it easy to adapt the space to your lifestyle. A practical mudroom leads directly to a screened-in porch, where you can relax while overlooking the peaceful backyard and surrounding acreage. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms with ample closet space, along with a tastefully updated full bathroom designed for everyday comfort. One of the property's great